in your operating system. Next topic is process state. Before class we can see the what is process management, what is process, and what are the process architecture will be there. Everything we can see in a before class. In this class we can see the process state. Firstly we can talk about the process. Process means program under the execution. That one we can call it as a process, you know already. In this topic is process state. What are the process state will be there in a process management, everything we can learn now. In your process is the program under execution. That one we can call it as a process. The process is the program which currently when the execution a program by itself, not a process, but it's a passive entity, just like a content of a file stored at disk. It is a while of process in an active entity. Before only I will tell you process, that one we can call it as a passive, and storage, that one we can call it as a active entity. In your process also include the process stack, heap, and data. Everything we can learn in a before class. In your process also include the process stack. It contains the temporary data. What are the data we can contain? Local variable, functional parameter, return address. Everything we can contain in a temporary data. Which data? Stack, that one. In your data section, it means it contains the global variable and the heap memory. Heap memory is allocated the process to run the process state, and it defines the current state. What are the current state will be worked, everything we can learn. In current state we can call it as a process state. What are the process state we can have in a process management? Means a process, it can change the state during its execution. Each process may be in a one of the following state. What are the following state we can have in a process management? Means we can have a first one is the new, second one is running, and the third one is waiting, and fourth one is ready, and last one is terminated. These are all the process state in the process management. What are the new means? What are the state will be? We can see it in a process management. What is the running state? What is the waiting state? And what is the ready state? And what is the terminated state? We can see it in a process management. We can learn now. First I will write one diagram, then I will explain the what is new, what is running, waiting, ready, terminated, everything I will explain. First I will write the figure. First I will take a new, then ready, I will take a here running, here I will take a terminated, last one I will take a waiting. What is new? New means we can attempt to the information. We can go to search for the information. That one we can call it as a attempted. Once we can attempt the information, it will be go for the ready. It means information will be get ready. Then information will be ready means we can go to running. Then information will be ready means we can go to processing the information, or we can execute the information. That one we can call it as, it will be go for the ready or ready to running. Otherwise information will be ready, but some another information will be worked already, means IO or event will be wait some time, event waiting some time, then it will becomes waiting state, then it will be go one more time it will be go for the ready, then it will be check the running. It will be free means that time we can execute the program and it will be terminated. Otherwise then that time also it will be busy means go to the running, then IO and event will be waiting, then it will be wait means it will be come to waiting state, then it will be go for the ready state. Once we can execute the program means program will be running means it will be directly go for the exit means we can terminate it. Go to the running, any interrupt will be occur, any error will be occur means it will be go for the ready, and once we can debug the information, then it will be go for the running. That time we can have a event means it will be waiting, then it will be go for the ready, then it will be run and it will be executed. This process state will be keep on going. What is new? New means it is a process being created. We can create the process, that one we can call it as a new. When a new process is beginning created, it is a being created, that one we can call it as a new. What is running? Running is a process is said to the running the state when instruction are being to executed. Instruction are being executed, that one we can call it as a running. Waiting means the process is waiting for the some event to occur. The process is waiting for some event to occur. It means we can, such as the input output operation, we can wait some time. That one we can call it as a waiting. And the fourth one is ready. Ready means the process is waiting for the process. The process is waiting for processor. Waiting means the process is waiting for the some event to occur. It means what are the information we can got, it will be instruction we can waiting. Here ready means the process is waiting for the processor. It means program is execution, it will be second program will be waiting sometimes. When first program will be executed means then we can go for the second program, that one will be executed. That one is the we can wait for the processor, that one we can call it as a ready. Terminated means the process is finished means we can finish the execution. Finished execution. It means the process has finished execution, that one we can call it as a terminated. This diagram we can call it as a process state diagram. It only process can be running at the state, any processor at a time, while multiple processor may be in a ready and waiting the state. The processor state we can write a diagram. It shows below. It require the different process state during the lifetime. Sometimes examiner will be asked the lifetime of process management figure. You should return and explain that. That time also you should return this figure and you can explain the new, running, waiting and ready, terminated. This thing only you can explain that. Life cycle, it means same, and lifetime also same, and process state. Both question they will ask means you should return the one answer only. Which one you should return? You should return the process stated diagram and the process state. You should return and write under the explain. New means the process being created. Running means process said to be running. Instruction being executed. Waiting means it is the some event will be occurred. Waiting for the some event will be occurred. Ready means the process is waiting for the processor. Terminated means the processor has finished to execute. This process will be generated in the process management. Thank you.